short indoor flight with the Cyma S107G. I haven't flown it in a long time, you guys, so bear with me. I still got it. You don't fly bad. It's a little bit harder than a drone because of the altitude. You gotta keep messing with the altitude. She ain't doing bad. Flying pretty great. She's quiet. It's really quiet. See, the altitude keeps going up on it. It's an indoor copter, it's not an outdoor copter. I just want to do a little short flight and see how she flies, you guys, see how it handles. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out my video. I really do. Here she is, the 107G Cyma helicopter. I appreciate it, you guys. Thank you for stopping by. Take care. And I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful day. Be safe.